In other news, despite the rising number of virtually or visually impaired children, the defect remains one of the most neglected health challenges in Nigeria. These advocates from a school for the blind in Lagos had a discourse to educate parents who are the primary caretakers for such children on the best way to train those with visually impairment or visual impairment. UWAKWE reports.
There are about 2.2 billion visually impaired persons across the world, with about 15.3% residing in Africa. In the face of an already insecure environment, these children face enormous discrimination in the society. To turn the tide and improve the living conditions of this group of children, advocates from a school for the blind in Lagos had a discourse on educating parents on how to take care of their visually impaired children.
The things affecting many parents that have visually impaired children is lack of acceptance. They don't accept their children. Sometimes they abandon them. And also some of them have problems. They don't have money to take care of them. And then because of lack of awareness, they don't know where to take their child.
Something we call inclusive education. Inclusive in terms that we see these children like normal children. We don't see them like children that are disabled because they can do everything every other child can do. Do you understand? Before it was like, let's pity them, their handicaps or they're disabled, but now it's no more the same.
For this father, these children do not need pity, but encouragement and inclusiveness.
They see a blind child, some of them want to try to show pity, which I do tell people that what they need is not pity, is empathy. And the government is not actually looking after them enough the way it's supposed to be, which I believe the government can also do much more for a blind child.
One of the children, who has 3 other visually impaired siblings, mentioned some of the challenges they face.
If you want to cross the road, it's very difficult for the visually impaired. So people do discriminate us very well. But my advice is that they should not look down on themselves. They should kick on in life.
The eye, as the saying goes, is the window to the soul. For these children, this disability is not a challenge, but a way to develop other senses and become useful to their community. In UWAKWE, TVC News, Lagos.